Hey guys, today I'm going to make some chili in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. This is going to be similar to what this chili seasoning packet says, but I'm going to make a few changes. It says to use a pound of ground beef. I'm going to use ground venison because it's what I have. That's 95% lean, so I'm going to use that. I'm just going to put it right in the slow cooker. I'm not going to brown it first. Then it says to use a can of undrained beans, so I'm going to add that can of kidney beans, and it says to use a can of tomato sauce and then add this seasoning packet, but I'm going to use a can of Manwich Sloppy Joe sauce, and I don't think I'm going to add the seasoning packet. I'm going to put the venison in there first. If you don't know what venison is, it's deer meat, but just get some lean ground beef if you're doing it yourself. It's probably harder to find venison, and some people probably don't even like it. I'm just going to kind of break it up the best I can here. And I'm going to season it with some kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this says sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic and onion in it. I've used it a time or two. And I'm going to add the Manwich sauce. If you'd rather, you can just use tomato sauce and add your chili seasoning mix, but I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to add a little water to that so I can get the rest of it out of there. I added a little water to the can so I get the rest of the sauce out of there better. There we go. Now I'll add my can of undrained kidney beans. It's got them stuck to the bottom there, so get those last few out of the bottom. Alright, there we go. And also, one other thing I'm going to add is some frozen red, green, and yellow bell pepper strips. That'll give it some nice fresh flavor. So let's put about, I don't know, about a cup or so maybe, just kind of eyeballing that. There we go. And then maybe a little onion powder as well. I like onion powder, so a pretty good amount of that. Stir it up a little bit. Okay, and we'll get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook this on high. It'll probably take about 2 hours. Alright, it's been about 2 hours and this smells good, so let's take a look. That looks good. The only thing about cooking the ground beef in the pot without browning it first is you have to break it all up after, because it tends to kind of be in big clumps, as you can see. So I have to kind of just chop all this up. You could add chili seasoning to that if you wanted to, but I tasted it and I like the taste of it just like that. The only thing I'm going to add is a little cayenne pepper, just to add a little more heat to it. And then I think that'll be perfect for my taste. Mix that in. I put this in a bowl and threw a little cheese on top. Let's try it out. I like that. It's got a sweeter, tangier taste with the sloppy joe sauce and the bell peppers in there. But if you like more of a chili taste, you can add the chili seasoning and, you know, just taste it and see how you like it. It's your food. I don't know what Annie will think of this. I don't want to give her beans because she sleeps in the bed. That might not be too good. I'll see if she likes a piece of meat though. Want to try that, Annie? I guess that wasn't too spicy. She ate it. Well, that'll warm you up and keep you out of the drive-thrus. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.